Hey guys, it's Hassan Gaming here. Today is a different video. I got this new keyboard from Aula. It has really nice features, which I'm showing you right now. Since I got this keyboard, I was thinking maybe I could do some other games like that are on the computer, not playing Clash Royale all the time. So you can just suggest them in the comments. I'll look through the comments and look for any game suggestions. I think like if you have a really nice game, you can just tell me down below. But still, actually I just repeated myself, but whatever, I don't care. Okay, you can see here I'm just opening the box. By the way, I'm doing voiceover because I didn't feel like talking when I was recording with my phone. So I'm just opening it. I'm about to open it. The good thing about this keyboard is that it has stealth keys, or ghost keys, whatever they're called. I don't know which one. Okay, here I got the box open. So these are the extra keys and the key pullout. This is the manual because it has lids and some different features like that. Now I'm taking out the main thing, which is the keyboard itself. So I am see Aula. Okay, so pretty much this keyboard is freaking amazing. Not because of the LEDs, but because it has a nice finishing touch. A really nice one. I'm about to connect it in a second, maybe, yeah, I think so. I'm just showing the back. It's really nice. It has a real nice grip as well. Here I connected it to my computer, so you can see all the LEDs and stuff. It's really, like, this is just so good. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below some games. Don't forget to subscribe, and peace out.